Welcome to another episode of Junkbox Heroes. Today we're learning about front ends, upper, control arms, where is it? Lower control arm bushings have to be replaced, not the arms because they're too expensive and there's nothing wrong with them. These were cheap, so we just replaced the control arms. Sometimes they bend, but the lower ones are real thick and heavy, so those don't always have to be replaced. That's the lower control arm, but the bushings are bad, see? Both sides, yes. The beast. Yeah, I put a screen back there to protect the coolers and the radiator and the condenser, because the rocks and the bugs do a lot of damage, so I put a screen before I put the grill back. And since we're this far, we're going to put our new brake pads on. The rotors are good, nice and smooth, so we'll keep you posted on the outcome. Yeah, that's the sway bar link. Got new parts for that too. The new sway bar link, the rubber boot. These are the links. But on a 25-year-old truck with 120 on it, you got to expect some work to be done. But it's better than payments.